Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today, I'm gonna show you some amazing kits from VIP Cross Stitch. That is www.vipcrossstitch.com. Now, VIP Cross Stitch only specialize in cross stitch. So they sell all types of cross stitch, the beaded ones, the 9 count like I'm going to show you today, the normal ones, and all the tools and accessories that goes with that. They also do all the cross stitch crafts. Go and have a look. It is amazing. They do customs, my dear Stitchy family. Now the customs, if you order 2 pieces, you get 10% discount. If you order 3 pieces, you get 15% discount. Now, if you want to save a little bit more at VIP Cross Stitch, you use my discount code, which is RELLA10 for 10% discount. Also, if you order for over $55, you get free shipping. Now, before I tell you about the sale, I want to say that you must remember it is Chinese New Year soon. So the shop's closed for 10 working days. So be patient with your orders. That is the annual holidays in China. Alrighty then. I also want to say they are terrific. Their customer service is terrific. Their products are beautiful. And the customer service is really, really superb. Now, that is not all. They've got a January sale running. So you can save 15% on your whole cart. And the code for that is VCS15. Also, if you order over $39, you get a free blind box. But remember to add the free blind box to your cart. You will see that it is free. Alright, so after that mouthful, let's look at this beautiful 9 count. And you're looking at that little princess, and guess who that is? Alice, of course. Alice in Wonderland, and she is amazing. Let's take this apart, then I can show you what's going on. Alright, so you get a beautiful, beautiful picture on glossy photo paper. It is branded Mona Lisa brand. It's 9 count 50 by 50 centimeters. The pattern is A4 double side printed, and we're working with 37 colors. Very clear, very easy stitches. Like it looks very easy. So let's have a look here. So serge on all the sides. You need it to be serge, but for the side where it's the ending of the material, because that won't fray. Alright, so let's have a look here. Pretty. Very easy, very pretty. Remember, on a 9 count, you must use a 22 needle, 4 strings of thread. Now, there's 2 needles attached to your Ada. They're there, they're 22, very strong. And all the details of this stitch are here. I told you it's 50 by 50. But remember when they say that, the 50 by 50 is they measure the Adas. So the actual product, let me tell you how big that is. Okay, so let's see a bit here. Sorry, I just grabbed the first one. It's probably the most broken one around, but it's fine. The Ada is 55, but they measured, it's actually, they measured that's because of the side, the end of the fabric. So the Ada will be that side. The actual picture is 38 by 38. So 38 by 38. So very easy, and it's gonna look amazing. The printing is spectacular. Look at that. Very easy stitch. Remember to use 4 threads. These stitches goes very quickly. Amazing, right? Okay, I'm happy. Very, very good product. So let's have a look at this beautiful colors. So 37 colors. Here's 1 to 24. 25 to 37. I'll show it to you together. I love these. They are amazing. Look at this color. Very pretty indeed. Alrighty then. I'm very happy. Excellent product. Now while I pack away, and you look at that beauty. Look at that. That is just, I love it. It's amazing. Fantastical image. While you are staring at that, I want to ask, if it's the first time watching my videos, please subscribe if you would be so kind. It helps me out a lot. It also motivates me to make more videos for you. Also hit the like button if you like this video and leave me a comment. I will personally get back to you. Now let's have a look at this. I think this is gonna be spectacular. Oh my word, look at that. It's like I don't know, there's a waterfall. I don't know if it's a house or a temple, but it's beautiful. There's rainbows, there's clouds and mountains and peonies. It's 9 count, 75 by 75 centimeters. Beautiful photo paper, glossy photo paper. Oh my word. There's a lot. And it's so beautiful. Oh wow. Very pretty, right? Okay, so let's have a look at the pattern. It's an A4 double-side printed pattern. It is like all the other 9 counts. This is Mona Lisa brand. Very beautiful, very clear. It is small. If you're going to need to use the pattern, you're going to need to blow it up. But with printed, you're not supposed to have to need the pattern. Alright, so 46 colors. Oh man, oh boy, this is going to look amazing. So let's have a look. Now we've got our 2 needles, it's number 22 needles, remember, 22, and you use 4 threads. Ooh, this one's big. Big and beautiful. Wow. Now it's serged on all the sides. We need it to be serged. And then on the end is the ending of the fabric, and it's hot, so my fan's on and everything's just blowing away. Look at this. It is amazing. 46 colors. Remember, on these your symbols do correspond with the pattern, and the pattern symbols do correspond with this. Very easy stitch, gonna be stitch up very quickly. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Very, very pretty. I adore it. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so the printing on this is immaculate, like normal. The brand stitches are immaculate. They just in another class. Very, very good. Hello, I've got a little co-star. I don't know if she's going to appear here. I don't want to force her. Come here, Papa. You can come up. She is so cute. She's curious on what Mommy is doing. Hello, Pipsy. Hello, baby girl. Oh, she's so sweet. In the mornings, like this morning, she just dishes out butterfly kisses, guys, and it's so cute. Alright, so let's have a look at this splendid colors. Oh, I'm excited. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. So, we got 1 to 17. Look at that. Remember, a 9 count has a lot more thread than any, like 11, 16, 14. A lot more thread. Then we've got 18 to 37. Put them together, then they are there. And then we've got 38 to 46. Amazing, right? I just love it. Look at it together. And there we are. Fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous stitches. Let me know what you think in the comment box, and I'll leave all the links there as well. And don't forget about the sale at VIP Cross Stitch. Now while I pack this away, I just want to thank VIP Cross Stitch This is amazing products. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so, so much. I absolutely adore them. Then to you, yes, my dear, dear Stitchy family. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Now, I love you guys till the moon and back. I will talk to you soon. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.